So the
National Weather
warning?
Service in Pittsburgh
Yeah.
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Jefferson County in east central Ohio, southwestern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, northwestern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia until 3:30 p.m. At 2:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Whitton, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source: radar. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Whitton, Frankfort Springs, Colliers, Raccoon Creek State Park, Sun Valley, Hanover Township. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. The forecast for West Central Pennsylvania.